Ronald Tubig. 6 last year in La Union. Let's see if he has tricks up his sleeves. So this is his first attempt. Whoa! That's a pista. So you have a redunk. Attempting a 360 on the baseline. Ito pa. Isa na naman para kay Ronald Tubig. What do you think about that, Coach?
That was pretty good. I like that.
Reminds me of you. Okay, reminds me of you.
That looks like Coach Norman's the easiest to please, raising up a 9.
I have respect for these guys.
Okay, so titignan ulit natin. Ito yung replay nito kay Ronald Tubig.
At matapos si Tubig changing that dunk after that miss. Obviously, that's a dunk that he's very comfortable with because he had to make that dunk instead or else 5 points na lang makakuha niya.
Ayun na nga, no? So ito, si Ronald Tubig rather, medyo disappointed pa nga siya doon. Pero okay naman. He has 39 points.